Welcome to MS Craftshop. I'm super excited to share a short presentation of the Purse Folio album I made for my friend. The album has finally reached its destination, so I can show you the finished result today. I wish I could show you the folio filled with photos, but alas, for privacy reasons, I cannot. I decorated the album using my Timeless Moments paper collection. Since my friend is not really into journaling, I decided to focus on showcasing the photos. Like the cheerful Halloween folio album, I also made minor changes to this one. I added a flap enclosure on the left card, similar to the Halloween album. However, I made a belly band with 2 photo mats instead of a pocket with a flap on the middle panel. While filling the album, I covered both sides of the mats with photos and added 2 extra loose pictures. This trick allowed me to fit 6 photos on this one card. Ultimately, the album held 28 photos. I glued a photo in the middle of the top card and printed smaller photos to cover the side flaps. It turned out really nice, and I hope it was a pleasant surprise for my friend, even though she certainly guessed beforehand that I was planning to give her this album. That's all for today. I wish you a lovely week and see you soon.